Okay guys, today we're going to be going outside. And a bit now, what I'm going to start doing is, if y'all are like actually watching this stuff, if y'all don't know, but I'm gonna start doing fishing videos over in my little pond, in our little pond in our neighborhood. But on Christmas, either I'm getting a dirt bike, four-wheeler, or an e-bike. I'm gonna start fishing in the ponds, but until I do, we're gonna start making more outside videos for y'all, because some people are gonna be over, I think, tonight, and we're gonna film some videos, like some fighting videos, and we're gonna film some videos together if they do still come over. But other than that, I don't know what we're gonna do except for fishing, riding around, walking around my neighborhood, and go to the store together. But once I hit 50 subs, I'm gonna do a live stream, and y'all are gonna pick what I do, because I don't really have any ideas anymore. I've done the trends. I'm gonna start doing fishing. Actually, after this, I'm gonna go make a fishing video. Well, I've done all that stuff. I've done around everything. Oh, I gotta tackle this. But put in the comments what lure I should use. I'll wait till someone comments. I have these, and I have those gulps. I don't know what to use. Please tell me what I should use. I'll wait till the comments to do another video.